Introducing the One+One ETFs, OOSB and OOQB from Volatility Shares. These innovative ETFs bridge traditional stock investing with the dynamic world of Bitcoin futures. Using futures contracts, OOSB and OOQB seek magnified exposure of 200% of their total assets, a larger value relative to a smaller margin deposit. Under normal circumstances, the funds will allocate 100% of their total assets to stocks, plus 100% of their total assets to Bitcoin exposure. OOSB offers 100% S&P 500 exposure, plus 100% Bitcoin futures. And OOQB offers 100% NASDAQ 100 exposure, plus 100% Bitcoin futures. That's 2 times leverage across 2 asset classes, allowing investors to maintain their core equity market position while gaining exposure to Bitcoin market potential, all within a single ETF. Professionally managed and systematically rebalanced One+One ETFs amplify your strategy in a familiar ETF structure. Invest in One+One ETFs today. Learn more at volatilityshares.com.